Wow. The first thing that hits you is the scale of the space, but it looks neat, clean, and organised. This is 21st century automation at its very best. It's brilliant. Now, the new factory has also allowed IG Doors to move the manufacture of its door leaves from overseas to here in South Wales, and that is amazing news. The GRP composite door like this one won't warp, twist or distort in any way. It also gives you the look of the timber door if that's what you want, without the downfall of what a timber door can bring to your home. But my favourite thing of all is that these doors are so much more thermally efficient. Composite doors have become increasingly popular over the years. They're durable, extremely secure and far more thermally efficient than their predecessors.